Great. Well, 9:55 on your Saturday morning. Time to check with Irene.
That's right. She's at the Cats for Cats adoption event at the Arizona Broadway Theatre in Peoria. And that is indeed Irene. She has turned into a kitten.
Oh, she has her hand on the microphone.
I know. This is Oliver. He's been like kind of playing with the mic. You know what? You got a new correspondent here. He's much cuter than me anyway. So Oliver is one of the many kittens up for adoption here. We have Alexis and Charlotte here. So, oh, look, he's playing with the mic. Oh my gosh, a little fussy here, right? You just want to get down and play. Alexis, tell us about the event. What do people need to know?
So we're at Arizona Broadway Theatre, and we're doing our Cats for Cats community adoption event in celebration of our production of cats. This summer, we believe that the arts really can bring people together, and we want to serve our community, so we invited local rescues here to show us their adorable adoptable cats.
And then, Charlotte, what rescue are you with?
I'm with Two Hearts Kitten Rescue.
Okay, tell us about the rescue.
So we are a neonatal kitten rescue. We take in kittens that their mom has abandoned them. A lot of times they've been hit by a car, or some tragic event has happened. So we take in the ones that have no moms, and we're kind of their surrogate mothers, and raise them up. Please don't kidnap. I'm just going to stop for a second and say, please don't kidnap. Don't steal kittens. Leave them with their mommy. But if tragedy happens and they don't have a mom, or their mom abandons them, which is what happened with this one, then we take them in and we get them healthy and raise them up, and we have a wonderful team, and yeah.
And then, Alex, as far as the event today, how's it all going to work if people want to come? It starts at noon, right?
It starts at noon, it ends at 4. So anyone who's interested in adopting a kitty can come and check out. We have 5 different rescues participating. We're very excited to be here. We're going to have dozens of kitties that are available for adoption, and we just encourage anyone who is interested in adopting a cat to come down to the theater today.
And then, are we able to show off that one really little kitty?
Oh, yeah.
Can we show that? We have a 3-day-old kitty. I just want to show this one because, oh my goodness, adorable. Are her eyes even open yet?
No.
Oh my gosh, her eyes aren't even open. Just take a look at this one. Oh my gosh. Can you tell me the story behind her if you know it?
So I know.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Oh, look how little the, oh
So
my gosh.
They're loud. When they want their mommy, they're loud. It's okay. Shh, 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 shh. We're on the news, inside voice. So she doesn't even have a name yet. This is our newest little baby. I'm not really sure where she came from. Oh, she had a lady that feeds a colony, found her underneath a prickly bush, a prickly cactus, and waited throughout the day, followed all the procedures with making sure mom wasn't around.
One second, I gotta let down Oliver because Oliver's squirming out of my arms. All right, let's get back to the story.
So there's some like little steps that you do if you want to make sure that the mom's not around, so you're not kidnapping. And she was all by herself underneath the prickly thing doing this all day, and so the community lady kept watch on her and kept checking on her, and when mom didn't come back and she's followed all the steps, she started reaching out to rescues, and one thing led to another, and she ended up at our place, and yeah, she's just actually Rusty, the one I just had in, and she looked just like this one.
Well, one of many kittens up for adoption. Look how cute. Have a wonderful day, everyone. What a great way to start your Saturday morning. Let's just start it off with that. Okay. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.